last night. Kyoko won't say a word to me.
Do it again.
Jeez Louise.
Look him in. Too small. Maybe save the dickhead at least.
Where?
Leave him hooked for a second.
I'm gonna let him down so that Kobe will.
No, we don't want him to hook into these other lines. We want him.
You want me to release him? No, because then he'll eat all the stuff.
Yeah, nice and easy. Will, get your tip away from him. There's the 20-pound snapper box. That spinning rod is off.
Oh, snap. Sit tight.
What?
I need you to keep
Yeah,
it.
I know. They're out here, guys. That's a cobia with them. That's a cobia right there. See him? That's a cobia. Some pops. Get out of the way.
Bob will stop a sandwich. Number one in the world.
Careful, Will.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Just don't try to overfight him, okay, babe?
Just keep pressure on him.
Wesley, you need to come over here, fish this rod. There's a fish on. Are you filming it? You filming it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice and easy, Will. Just keep your tip up right now. No shaky, okay?
Someone want to come film?
No
Stick it
shake.
in the rocker. Back here. Not.
That could be a shark.
Can I get the belt out?
No, just you got him. You almost got him. You almost got him.
Dad, don't walk the film.
No shaking the rod tip. Nice and easy. You can really get a tough. Be as tough as you can, okay?
It's probably gonna be like some trash fish.
Wesley, how do you know so much?
Tip away from the boat.
Always when we get a good fish, it turns out to be a trash fish like a ray or something.
Something's on the bottom of my foot and I can't see.
Right there, color. That's a snapper. That is a humongous.
That's a good sized fish there.
Come on, baby. Get him out of the way.
Get the gap.
No, I got him. Well, just keep your head around. Get him up.
Holy crap, that's like a 40
Hey,
pound.
slow down. Just slow down.
Yes! Look at that! Holy crap!
That might win the tournament.
It's the Baba Stop a sandwich! Oh my gosh!
We're going to have to go in pretty soon if that's, because that might
The Baba Stopper sandwich is the greatest invention ever made. Nothing's better than that. Nothing ever.
Put it on the bottom.
What time is it, Will?
They're literally destroying the bottom. I don't know.
If it's 1 o'clock, we gotta
What time is it weighing?
go.
What time's it
You
weighing?
guys okay if we go in so we can weigh this fish and try to win?
When's it weighing?
We got 2 hours to get to the weigh-in. And we got an hour to get home.
Can we fish for like 30 minutes?
Unless we can drive straight to the weigh-in.
It ends at 4?
Yeah.
We need to fish.
Coast Guard, this is Laguna Bay calling you on channel 16 over.
It's gonna be facing to these.
Laguna Bay, first second,
That's a big trigger.
second,
That'll work.
Laguna Bay. Can we go to channel 22 Alpha, please?
That'll eat. Keep reeling fast, real fast as you can, until that thing bends.
No, he's
Leslie, out
still
of the way.
on.
No, he's still on.
Out of the way, baby.
He's just not.
Alright, I
I
need to
think
come
he's
around.
tired.
He's still on.
Get up here.
Keep him away from that louder.
Here's another hit, baby bombs. Yes, yo, we can jump stop to the beat, yo, we can jump. I'm insulted. You should go ahead and bounce so hard till your knees hit your forehead.
I said it before and I'll say it again. I love you.
Right there. Oh my god. It's running.
Leslie, stay out of this
What
way,
in
baby.
God's name is it?
Stay out of this way, baby.
Hope my camera doesn't freaking die. Are Jacks in this tournament?
Game on, game some line, game some line.
No, don't let your pole hit
Come to
the
back
metal.
Of the boat, come to the back of the boat. That's a big old tree belt, what it is.
Have you seen it? Oh, I see it now. That might be a bull redfish.
Big old tree belt.
Oh, it's a red. It's a huge.
It's a tree belt.
Holy!
No. Down, pull up, down, pull up, down, pull up,
That is one heck of a fish.
down, up. Get his head, get his head. Watch the camera, Will.
Oh, he's in the motor. He's in the motor.
Here, come on, give me that net. Come out of here.
That's like a 20-pound jack.
Reel down, pull up. Reel down, pull up. Forward pops to the left. Ahead. Keep your tip away from the boat, Bubba. Tip away from the 90 degrees from the boat. Hold it out. Out of gear, Pops. Just keep him wide, That's all we can do. He's going to swim around in a circle in a second. And we're going to get him next time, okay? All right, reel down, pull up. Reel down, pull up. Push down. Reel on the way down, reel on the way down.
That's one heck of a fish. There he is.
Tip away. Put your tip the other way. That way.
Get the GoPro up here.
I got it right here.
You got it. Doing good.
What is going on with this drag? Good lord.
It's a really big fish. We can't put any more. We can't put any more.
Fishing rod.
We can't put any more. Is that him?
Is that the hardest fighting fish you've ever caught? Yeah. This one's sharp.
Hey, he's behind the motor.
See if you can do that pump thing for me. Do that pump thing for me.
No, hey, you're about to get tangled.
Oh, I'm tangled. What's up? Oh, I'm off.
Ready?
Yeah.
He's under the boat. He'll come back. You're good. Let's get him out.
That is a fat
What
fish.
time is it? It's 5 after. Alright, good. Tip away, tip away, tip away. Oh, shoot. Tip away. All you can do is tip away. Tip away, tip away, tip away. Tip away, tip away, tip away. Tip away. Tip away. That's all you can do right now.
You fall on your gloss.
I'll grab your collar.
Alright, let's get this guy in. Reel. Push tip down, reel down. Man, he's tough. He doesn't want to come in.
He's been netted before.
Alright, let him go that way. See if he's good that way. Alright, we're going to turn it down on it. Ready? Alright. You get him or you don't get him.